to show you the 2020 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, driver attention alert system, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.